I'm coming, no matter what, no wall can hold me down. I break through limits, crush the doubt, wear scars like a crown. Obstacles, I eat them, pain, I breathe it in. I'm the storm they never saw, the fire beneath the skin. They laughed, they mocked, tried to bury my flame, but I rose from the ashes, rewrote my name. I'm the hero of the story, the voice they tried to mute. Now I speak in thunder, raw, loud, absolute. I'm the one they'll remember, the name they'll shout. From silence to spotlight, I took the hardest road. Legends don't ask permission, they carve their own way. I walk in their footsteps, I'm built to slay. I don't care what they think, their words don't touch my soul. I'm the architect of my fate, I'm in full control. I save myself and those around me too. Turn broken dreams into skies so blue. They said I was done, said I'd fade and fall, but I stood tall, turned my back to it all. Now I own the life I used to beg for bread. A mansion, a Lambo, I'm miles ahead. I'm the one they'll remember, the name they'll shout. From silence to spotlight, I took the hardest route. Legends don't ask permission, they carve their own way. I walk in their footsteps, I'm built to I'm the one they'll remember, the name they'll shout. From silence to spotlight, I took the hardest route. Legends don't ask permission, they carve their own way. I walk in their footsteps, I'm built to
This world's got a heavy hand. When it's tough, it shuts you out. Every door feels locked and closed. Every step is filled with doubt. And when it twists against your way, bends the road, it won't turn back. You keep fighting, searching light in the middle of the black. And you start believing that you're standing all alone. Every voice around you feels like plotting on their own. But the truth is waiting in the very same time. 1,000 doors are opening, 1,000 hills to climb. Stay unbroken, this is not a metaphor. Life will push you harder, you must rise and give it more. Stay unbroken, don't you bend, don't you fall. When the world sees you fearless, it will dance for you all.
Life is cold when you look weak, shows its mask, the darkest face. But if you stand and won't retreat,